Today we will discuss about polar representation of the complex number. Yes, suppose we have any complex number z is equal to a plus b iota. Then suppose point P, the distance of P from O R and angle theta. Then r comma theta is called polar coordinates are called polar coordinate of the point P. Yes, here r considered distance from the origin of P and theta angle with the initial line of OP. Clear? Yes. एंड सपोज जनरली कोऑर्डिनेट इसके कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट x, y है. यस, देन डिस्टेंस x एंड डिस्टेंस y. देन z इज इक्वल टू वी कैन राइट x प्लस y iota. क्लियर? एनी डाउट? यस. चल, sin theta is equal to you know perpendicular divided by hypotenuse OP y upon r. So y is equal to you can write r sin theta and cos theta is equal to base upon h. It means OA upon OP. It means x upon r. So you can write x is equal to r cos theta. Then complex number z is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta is called polar representation of complex number OP. Clear? Any doubt? Where theta is called modulus of OP, sorry, r is called modulus of OP and theta is called argument of OP. Clear? Any confusion? Sure? चलिए, अब generally for theta we have two specific conditions. For theta we have two specific conditions. Clear? ठीक है? But we take only one value. Yes, theta should be greater than 0, less than equal to 2 pi. And second case, theta should be less than equal to pi and greater than equal to minus pi. Meaning, suppose we have the 4 position for theta. Yes, maybe z, then value of theta, maybe z, value of theta. Yes, clear? Maybe value of theta and maybe suppose value of theta. Any doubt? Clear? Any question? No? Clear? In second case, we have again 4 condition, 4 situation for theta. Yes, this is value theta. This is value theta. Clear? Though angle in positive direction, anti-clockwise directions, yes, because minus pi to 2 pi, minus pi to 2, sorry, pi. Now, for third quadrant, this value theta, and for fourth quadrant, this value theta. Clear? अब डिपेंड ऑन यू कि आप फर्स्ट कंडीशन कंसीडर करते हैं, अदरवाइज सेकंड कंडीशन कंसीडर करते हैं. क्लियर? अकॉर्डिंग टू बोथ द कंडीशन योर आंसर राइट. क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल, suppose z is equal to, we have root 3 minus I. Yes, आपने let put r cos theta plus iota sin theta, comparing both the side, real part should be equal to real part and imaginary part should be equal to imaginary part. Squaring and adding root 3 square minus 1 square r square cos square theta r square sin square theta 4 r square cos square theta plus sin square theta r square is equal to 4, r is equal to 2. That is called modulus of z. Modulus of z. Clear? After that, r sin theta divided by r cos theta, r sin theta divided by r cos theta minus 1 by root 3, tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Yes. Tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3 tan 30 degree, and in radian we can write tan pi by 6. Clear? Any doubt? Now we have again plus minus, you know, plus plus minus plus minus minus plus minus. Clear? A plus b iota minus a plus b iota minus a minus b iota and a minus b iota. So according to this, z belong in fourth quadrant because z belongs in fourth quadrant, and you know in fourth quadrant you have two possible value. First in clockwise direction, yes, and second is first, clear, anti-clockwise direction, positive direction, and second is clockwise direction, that is called minus theta. So you can write two value of theta. You can write value tan 2 pi minus pi by 6 or tan minus pi by 6. So theta should be equal to 11 pi by 6 or minus 5 by 6. Clear? You can write any one value, not compulsory कि आप ये लिखें any one you can write, because theta belongs 0 to 2 pi, because theta should be less than 2 pi and greater than 0, and theta should be pi and minus pi. Okay? Or anyone you can write both are. Yes, according to you. Now suppose theta is equal to minus pi by 6. Yes, clear? Theta is equal to minus pi by 6. Clear, sir? Any doubt? That is called argument of Z. Now polar form. Now polar form of Z is equal to R cos theta plus iota sin theta. So you can write 2 cos of minus pi by 6 iota sin minus pi by 6. Otherwise you can write 11 pi by 6 also. No problem. Both answer is right. Any doubt? No? Clear? Clear? Again repeat. Suppose you require polar form of Z. First you should compare Z is equal to this, because this is the standard form of the polar form of complex number. Yes? After that, comparing real part is equal to real part and imaginary part should be imaginary part. Comparing, simple. After that, squaring both the side and adding. You got it value of R. R is called modulus of Z. Clear? After that, R sin theta divided by R cos theta. Value of theta. Yes? Theta according to your choice, 0 to 2 pi, otherwise minus pi to 2 pi. Clear? Any confusion, sir? Clear? चलिए, ठीक है? Got it? You can do today your homework of exercise 5.2. You will try. I hope that you can do. If you have any doubt, then you ask on next class. Okay? Thank you so much.